Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new, make sure you hit subscribe. This video is going to be about Mini Ebook. This is a brand new product by, I always screw up his name, Venkata. Anyways, this guy makes great products. He puts a lot of time into them. We talk all the time on Facebook. This guy is a great creator. He tries to really make software that really works really well. So I'm excited to be reviewing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through. We'll take a look at the sales page. Let's look at the demo first. Okay, let's look at the demo reel. And then what Venkata's done for me is he's actually got some exclusive bonuses that I'm going to put in there that you can get. So you're going to be able to get some exclusive bonuses that will help you with this program. So they're going to be related to the program. We'll go through those too. Like it's going to be like Facebook Viral, Facebook WP Auto Poster. So you can post into all your social media from WordPress. Very cool. Affiliate Pro plugin that turns your WordPress into an affiliate campaign. Really cool stuff. SEO Pack, WP Auto Poster, Flip Me, which is about flipping domains. Anyways, there's a bunch in there. Okay, guys, don't worry. You're gonna get like the bonuses. Not a big deal. All right, so let's go watch the demo of this, and we'll go through it together. We'll go through the sales page, and then we'll go through the OTOs, which are the one-time offers. So usually when you buy a product like this, they'll offer you at a discount some extra bells and whistles that you can add to your purchase, which most of the time are really useful. All right, so let's jump over to make sure I'm on here. Okay, we're gonna jump over to this. Yeah. Okay, let's watch this together, guys, and we'll chat after it's done. Okay.
This Mini Ebook Machine is responsible for banking us thousands of dollars every single month as an affiliate by simply giving away free mini ebooks and without writing a single word. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply in only 3 easy to follow steps which practically anyone can do. The first step is getting access to the Mini Ebook Machine. It's as simple as clicking on the button below and buying access to Mini Ebook Machine at an extremely discounted price only available today, and accessing the application after purchase in just seconds. Now that we're logged in, Mini Ebook Machine lets you create profit-making mini ebooks in a snap without writing a single word yourself. Let's see how it's done. First, we want to click on Mini Ebook Builder, and then we want to click on Add New Mini Ebook right here. Once we get to this page, we can enter a title. I will enter 10 Great Winter Fashion Trends. And we can choose a cover from our local desktop, which I can upload as such. You can enter an introduction or conclusion, but that is completely optional. For recommended resources, I want to add an affiliate banner and an affiliate link. So the first thing I will do is go ahead and paste in a little PNG so they can see what the recommended resources are for winter fashion trends. And I also want to go ahead and add my affiliate link to that. You can do so by clicking on here and clicking on the link, and then I can add the link here and click OK. Also, for the call to action, I will also put click here to check for the latest winter fashion craze, and for the CTA URL, I will also put this affiliate link. Now keep in mind one thing, this is just a regular affiliate link. Your link will look more personalized, but this is just for demonstration purposes. After we have everything filled out, we can go ahead and click Submit. And there you have it. You have your own mini ebook in a few seconds. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. This looks absolutely terrific, don't you think? Wow, this just looks amazing. I can see the cover right here. I can see the title I entered. I can see my affiliate call to action, and I can have them click on it. But you can't really give a mini ebook away without content, right? And that's where we've got you covered as well. So let's take a look and see how to do that. To get content for our new mini ebook, we want to click on the Content Finder tab. And you'll be directed to our powerful content finder where you can find tons of PLR articles. These are private label rights articles you can use free of charge, and they're freely available to you in any niche. Let's take a look at our keyword of choice, fashion. We can go ahead and click search articles. And here we can see, based on the search and the titles, content only, or both. So you can choose what you like. And this will give you a list of PLR articles you can use for the mini ebook. So we can take a look and find the one that we want. Here we can see the 10 great winter fashion trends. So what we'll go ahead and do is just go ahead and open this article by clicking open article on the right hand side. And here we have the article with the title, all the information, and all we need to do now is say, hey, this article perfectly fits what we're looking for, and go ahead and copy the contents of it. So to get started, we want to first go up to the title here, highlight it, and copy it. Then what we're going to do is go back into the dashboard and go to our chapter creator part of the mini ebook. So we want to go ahead and click on the mini ebook builder. After we click on this tab, we can see generate ebook, and we can also see the tab next to it, add chapters, and I'm going to click on add chapters. Then I want to click on add new chapters. First, I'm going to go ahead and paste in the title I just copied, 10 great winter fashion trends this season. Now we need to get the body of the text. Now we switch tabs and we're back at the article body. I'm going to go ahead under body and go ahead and copy all of this as well. Right click and copy. And here we can go ahead and paste in the body of the article. We can also search for images related to winter here and add them to our ebook. I'm going to go ahead and type in winter and then look for any relevant images that pop up. After I'm done doing that, I can click here and then see where I want to drop it somewhere here in the text. And we can see that right here that I've added the images related to the subtitles of the content. And you can do that for each content and each heading. After that is done, we can go ahead and click submit. And that's simply how you add a chapter. That's pretty simple, don't you think? So let's take a look and see how the mini ebook looks now. This is looking even better now than it was before. You can add more chapters if you'd so choose, and more content as well. But this is looking a lot better because now we have all the content from our article, a relevant image, and a title. And your profit-making mini ebook is now ready to give away everywhere online. And we've integrated a really awesome Facebook traffic engine. With this engine, you can easily share your landing page, your mini ebook to the whole world. You can do this by posting the text, link, image, or video, carousel, slideshow, or campaigns to your Facebook account on complete autopilot. But even with all that, we wanted to make your life even easier. We decided to create a pre-made mini ebook section. This is where you'll be able to choose among several done-for-you mini ebooks in the hottest niches ready for you to choose, as we can see all these different ebooks right here. I'm going to take a look at the Aging Secrets mini ebook right here. First, I can click on choose, and then I can go ahead and click on customize. And now, as we can see with our first ebook, we have everything we can edit. We can edit the title, we can change the cover, we can add an introduction and conclusion if we so choose. We can add our affiliate info about an aging related product to the recommended resources section, as well as adding information to the footer. And then after we're done with that, we can go ahead and click update. Also, if we want, we can go ahead and add more chapters. As you can see, there's already pre-made chapters here for you, but you can add chapters, delete them, edit them, and do everything you want. Now let's go ahead and see what the mini ebook looks like. We're going to click on Mini Ebook Builder, and we're going to click on the PDF. And here we can see our pre-made mini ebook. Now, if you want even more pre-made mini ebooks to work with, you can go ahead and click on our Elite PLR Downloads tab, and here you'll be able to access tons of more mini ebooks with PLR and MMR, so you can profit even more on as many niches as you want. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fastest way ever to profit as an affiliate with the power of mini ebooks. And as you can see, the profit generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with Mini Ebook Machine the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to bank thousands of dollars every single month as an affiliate by simply giving away free mini ebooks and without writing a single word, then try Mini Ebook Machine today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
All right, guys, that is pretty smoking cool. I really didn't know what to expect. Like I said, I'm just looking at this for the first time, and that is, a lot of these products have um, a lot of they don't really work, and they try to make it so it's just one button easy. And I know that making these books is not one button easy, so it will take a tiny bit of time. But they've got all those built-in books already there for you. They've got a whole other library for you to go on. Now, let me jump back on here for a second. So just as I'm watching that, I'm like that's aging gracefully, right? I would go over to ClickBank. I would find an aging product, like probably some lotion or potion or something like that, and I would put that in the end of that book. I would actually put it throughout the book, this aging program, because some of those things on ClickBank, you get hundreds of dollars for just a single like a single commission. So you start putting those out, spend probably it takes about 15 minutes, it looks like, to make one of these things, to get all to get your affiliate links in and all that stuff in. And then I would just start making one of these a day and getting them out there, get them up onto your blog, get them out, yeah, make a little video on YouTube. It's like, hey, get my ebook on blah 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 blah. And you could do multiple niches, right? Like there's so many potentials with this. I'm really liking it. All right, so let's go in. Let's see what the sales page is. Actually, you know what? The sales page is going to be sales page, guys. I think you can get it for 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks or something. Okay, that's the front end. So let's go into, I'm going to go over to the document here. And we're going to go through the OTOs. So let me go on here like this. Okay, so mini ebook front end. If your subs want to create ebooks, info products, reports, articles, lead magnets, much more to speed up leads. So you can create unlimited ebooks, drag and drop, multiple conversion boosting elements inside the books, right? Because you've got the intro and the conclusion. So you can actually put links in there because it's full HTML editor. Add chapters, building content generator, content finder, and 1 million plus done for you ebooks. So there's 1 million, like, guys, you will never run out of stuff. Okay, unlimited. So it has additional ebook template pack, additional done for you ebooks pack, add branding to ebooks. That's cool. So you can start adding your brand to the ebooks. That's very, very cool. So this has the unlimited and so you know what? Maybe there's some of them in the front end that you're restricted from. The mini book done for you. This pack lets your tribe unwrap professionally designed monthly. Oh, this is a monthly. So it's $197 for 12 months, and you get. So what I like about this is new product. So it's not just old stuff. This is going to be new product every single month written, which is really cool because then you're catching up on the trends. What if you could automate the mini book? So automation, I'm not sure what that is. It's probably don't know. I don't know what the automation is. You'd have to check that out. You'd have to go to the sales page and see that. Overnight traffic, Holy Grail, unrestricted buyer. So they limitless free buyer. So they're going to show you how to get traffic for it. The mini reseller. So if you want to resell this, it's 100% commissions. I always recommend getting the reseller if you're going to buy an upgrade. Mini Book Machine bundle. Get access to 4 incredible apps for one time. So I don't know what those apps are. Those would be on the sales page. And that's it for the upgrades. This is the sales page, guys. 30-day money back guarantee, commercial license included. Click one while we watched them do it. So typical sales page. Actually, it's a very clean sales page. I like it. There's Venkata. I think when I started chatting to him, he goes by Vin, I believe. He does a lot of business, guys. So cool stuff. Agency report. Yeah, guys, this is a good product. All right, so let me jump back on here. There we go. All right, so what do I think of Mini Ebook Machine? I like it. I really like it. Ebooks, guys, ebooks are so popular. I give away ebooks. I give away PDFs. Very, very popular. I don't see anything wrong with this product, especially for 17 bucks. Even if you just got the front end and just use what was in the front end, is amazing. If you want to get the OTO, you want to get done for you, get that year of brand new PLR stuff, which is always good because sometimes PLR stuff is old and stuff. And remember, some of the white label stuff you're able to resell, so you're actually able to sell it. But just thinking about the potential of just giving these things away and having those links in it, having a blog, having a blog where someone can read an article but download the ebook, like just discover the 4 secrets of, find the 7 secrets of. The people love that stuff. They click on it, boom, they download it, they open it up, they start reading through it. There's an ad there. Why do you think we put ads in between content? Is because they sell. You've got it's called contextual marketing. Okay, contextual marketing, right? Someone is reading about aging gracefully. There's an ad about aging gracefully about a product. That's contextual, right? It's in line with what you're reading. You wouldn't be like aging gracefully and then have an ad about like a hammer or a drill. Like that's not contextual, right? You're not connecting the dots. You're just throwing an ad into stuff. So this is very, very cool how you're able to control it. Looks like people, I'm on the sales page here. It looks like people are actually purchasing it right now. So yeah, definitely I would pick this up. The bonuses are in there, guys. You're going to get a load of bonuses. Like I said, what are the bonuses there? The Facebook viral, the WordPress auto poster, those two right there. That's definitely what you want to be going on. Convert your the SEO pack, yeah, and being able to SEO your WordPress, guys, and putting these things on there, so it's a no brainer. All right, so again, my recommendation for the Mini Ebook Machine, grab it from the link below. Just go get it, and you can remember there's a million articles in there. You could direct it to anything, and then direct them to your main offer, whatever you're promoting. You could because you're going to find something that's going to be able to direct people into your thing. Put a lead capture page on it, right before they download the book, get an email, all that kind of stuff. Very, very cool product. So go ahead, go grab Mini Ebook Machine, and I'll see. Oh, and if this isn't for you or you're interested in what I do, I'll put my #1 business down below, and I'll give you a free course. Also, my flagship free course on affiliate marketing. You just go. There's some upsells in it. You don't need them, guys. Just go in, go absorb, like just learn how to do affiliate marketing, and this learning how to do affiliate marketing with my course will help you use this product to 10x it. All right. So There we go, guys. That's it. Mini Ebook Machine review, bonuses, demo, walkthrough. I'll see you on the next one. Grab the link below. Cheers.